I'm going to show you a quick update on how to be able to mass post pictures on social media and be able to edit pictures quickly on the fly. The program that I'm talking about here is Postcron. It's one of my favorite social media marketing tools because you can have tons of social media accounts, and you can post to many of them. You can post variations, you can schedule times and all that kind of stuff, but they actually have a new feature where you're able to edit pictures, or you're able to even pull like Creative Commons pictures and create artwork or memes with them as well. So we just released an update of our Extreme Couponing Secrets ebook, and so we're going to go ahead and let people know that they can get that for free with a Kindle Unlimited subscription. And so right now we're actually going to change this up a little bit so that they can see it. So with here they have templates that you can use. They have pictures that you can use that you can post. But I'm going to take my picture that I have here. I'm going to add some text to it really quick. And that will give me the opportunity to add the titles that I want. And so we're going to go ahead and put this in white. Okay, so we have it there. We're going to go ahead and use this image. Alright, so now I'm going to be able to post this on my social media account here. We've got the cover for my ebook, and it says read free with Kindle Unlimited trial, but you can put emojis on here, you can put text, you can have it do any kind of backgrounds that they have set up, so it's pretty good. Edit things, post things quickly, and to be able to get your content out there to the people who want it. So hopefully this was helpful. Like I said, I really like Postcron. If you want, I'll have a link below so that you can go ahead and get a free month and go ahead and try this out. But like I said, you can also bulk post like hundreds of pictures to several social media accounts, and you can post hundreds of posts and hundreds of videos, stuff like that. And then you can also do bulk posting where you have a bulk file and you can actually auto post like up to 500 posts at once, which is pretty awesome. So hopefully it was helpful. If it was, smack that thumbs up, and we'll talk to you later.